Enya yi Biafra wanting joge, Enya yi Biafra wanting joge. Na na biko, Enya yi Biafra wanting joge. Enya yi Biafra wanting joge, Enya yi Biafra wanting joge. Hallelujah. Chineke ekele m unu. This is Biafra Battle Cry again. I've come to bring another update. Our leader opening a prayer section for the Children's Academy in Enugu. The person I will be bringing to you here is a little child who in Biafra Academy in Enugu. They are doing wonderfully well. So I want you to listen the prayer of our leader, a prayer of a prisoner of conscience. He's going to bring prayer here now and lead the prayer and commence how things are going to go, the effort we have made at the part before he was incarcerated. So that's the update I'm bringing here now on the screen. But before I go on, please, if you are coming on to this channel for the first time, subscribe, share, and like as well. And we will be gladly rejoicing when we see your comment here on the comment section, and we will reply to you. Don't hesitate, please, to subscribe. And we'll open the room now for our leader to talk. Thank you. I see you.
My name is Nnamdi Kanu. I am the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. That name that strikes fear into the heart of the Fulani Janjaweed. When they hear IPOB, they start having nightmares. I lead that very movement of the children of light. And have we not brought enlightenment to all the people? This very movement that heaven ordained must free the whole of Nigeria. Everybody must be free. And that light, the same way that the sun rises from the east, that light is coming from the east, as always. This very evening, we are going to pray as we are accustomed to doing here. We are going to hand over our proceedings very, very briefly and concisely to the Most High Elohim in heaven. We must pray. Onye anyị na-efe wee na-asọpụrụ mgbe niile, anyị na-ebuli olu anyị niile elu ebe ihe nọ n'ụwa niile, nna nke ebere wee na-aja gị mma, wee na-eto gị, wee na-agọzi gị. Onye dị nsọ mgbe niile ebighị ebi, onye ime eluigwe, onye ọ bụ naanị ya na-achị, onye ọ bụ naanị ya nọ n'oche eze elu ụwa wee bụrụ ebe ntụkwasị ụkwụ ya. Anyị na-arịọ gị, anyị na-aja gị mma, anyị na-eto gị, na-asị gị ezi nna pụrụ ime ihe niile, biko nye ụmụ gị ezi echiche na amamihe, nye ha akọ ma nyekwa ha uche, tinye ha n'ime mmụọ ha mmasị nke ụmụnne, n'ihi na mgbe niile na nwanne na-aka enyi. Ka anyị were ịhụnanya, ịdị n'otu, mmekọrịta nwanne na nwanne were na-aga njem nzọpụta nwere onwe nke gị onwe gị dịrị anyị, ka anyị wee gaa ma lekwa ndị iro nna nke ebere dị ngọzi, isi ga-ekpu ha niile n'otu n'otu. Aka nsị ha bụkwana ha ọnụ site na amara gị. Ịgba okwu na anyị ume ezi nna dị ngọzi, n'ihi na ọ ga-amasị anyị gụrụgụrụ mgbe bịa anyị wee too gị, gọzie aha nsọ gị n'ihe ọma nke ị na-ebe n'ime ndụ anyị. Anyị wee na-asị na onweghị chi dịka gị, onweghị onye ọbụla kere eluigwe n'ụwa ma ọ iwezuga gị, nna nke igwe. Ma o nweghị ihe ọzọ ị ga-eji wee hụ anyị n'anya wee karịsịchaa anyị anaghị efe arụsị. Ọ bụ naanị gị bụ Chineke nna nkusu niile nke ndị agha ka anyị na-akpụ isi ala anya. Ya metụ gị n'obi nna ndị nsọ na anyị bụ ụmụ gị. Ya metụ gị n'obi na ala Biafra bụ ala nke gị. Ya metụ gị n'obi onye nwe anyị na Chineke nna, ka i wee lekọtakwa Izrel ka isi elekọta ya na mgbe mbụ, agbanyeghị atụmatụ ụjọ niile nke ndị iro. Anyị wee na-arịọ gị ka ịhụnanya gị wee mụbaa n'ebe anyị nọ, ka iru gị wee chaa n'ebe anyị nọ, ka i wee gọzie ụmụ gị n'ụzọ pụrụ iche bụ ụmụ gị bụ ndị IPOB n'ụwa niile ndị tụrụ ugo ezinụlọ nke iji aka gị wee hiwe ka ọ ga-abụ na ikpeta m azụ site na ihe ịrịba ama nke gị onwe ga-eme n'ime ndụ anyị ụwa niile ga-asị n'ezie na ndị dị etu a bụ ụmụ Chineke. Anyị wee na-arịọ gị ezi nna bi n'igwe ka ị wee nara otuto, nsọpụrụ, ịja mma, mbuli elu na ikpe isi ala ugbu a na mgbe niile ebighị ebi ka anyị na-arịọ gị ise. Thank you very much. Some of you have corrected. Did I say Abuja? It was in Ahaba. They met in Ahaba, not even Asaba. Ahaba. As we have a Habimeni as well. Across Urimini Obaro, that some of you call, or should I say, the white man named River Niger. We are here to preach this very gospel.
International peace and security has convened.
Hello, boy. How are you?
I am very, very fine, sir.
How was your meeting today?
Very fine.
Okay, I can see you. You are very happy because I saw children trooping out of the hall, which shows that they responded very well in today's meeting. And also, last time you people had meeting, I saw the way you were responding to so many questions that they asked you, which shows that you are very, very brilliant. Hello, but I just want to ask you this very question. What is your take on UN silence on Biafran exit?
Once again, my name is Olibubo Melino from IPOB Enugu Children Department. I just want to respond to your question on the UN silence on Biafran exit. The UN silence of Biafran exit is a conspiracy against Black Africa. The United Nations is an intergovernmental body with a mission to maintain peace, security, and human rights while offering humanitarian aid and promoting sustainable development. The UN principal organ include the General Assembly, the Security Council, the International Court of Justice, and more. Some believe that the body is truly for peace and human development, while others that is sincerity and effectiveness. Those staring at the UN with their doubtful eyes are not doing so for fun. They have their reason. Cogent ones comes to that. As pointed out earlier, one of the aims of forming the UN is to maintain peace, security, and the UN has an organ, the Security Council, in charge of that. Has this organ been awake to its duties as regard the Nigeria Biafran issues? The UN Security Council has the power to make a binding decision on such matter like Biafran exists, their silence, therefore its conspirational demeaning. The Secretary General of the UN, on whose life the onus to bring to attention of the Security Council matters that threaten international peace and security, has conveniently looked at the other way, and so has International Court of Justice, ICJ, whose principal assignment is to adjudicate international disputes. The court has had the cases of war crime, illegal state interference, ethnic cleansing, and other similar crimes, yet turned a blind eye, maybe because the Black Africa are involved. In many cases, the UN member states have shown reluctance in enforcing the Security Council resolution. Sometimes, even disagreement of the Security Council for stop peace moves. For example, disagreement of the Security Council over military intervention with the Rwandan genocide in 1994 to succeed for the time it did similarly. The UN inaction is blamed with the Srebrenica massacre in 1995, the incessant killing of Biafra in Nigeria, and to some extent, the Somali Civil War. Since the formation of the UN, about 70 countries has gained independence. This was made possible by the UN Declaration on the granting of independence to colonized countries and people. Why then is Biafran issues different? Are Biafra not human? Biafra hereby called to the world to do the needful. We are killed, raped, and humiliated almost on a daily basis. The world should act to prevent another war. For a man pushed to the wall has no choice to push back.
Yes.
Do you think I'm the one speaking? No, it's the Biafra in me that is speaking. So I call on you, UN, to wake up, and do the needful,
Yes.
or we take the bull by its own.
Exactly.
And after that, that's the end of the UN. Thanks.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Robert, once again, what is your name?
My name is Olebubo Eumeni.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, my son. Oluebubo Melon. You really make us proud today. Thank you for your presentation. We really admire your presentation today. You are such a brilliant child. And I come to read on the scripture here, according to Psalm chapter 27, verse 3 to 4. Lo, children are a heritage of the Lord, and the fruit of the womb is his reward. As an arrow are in the hand of the mighty man, so are children of Biafra, of this youth, are an arrow to the Fulani Janjaweed. We will decimate them. We will decimate them. Tell me which any of these Fulani Janjaweed can speak like this, not even their children can speak like this, very eloquent, brilliant. Oh no, let me clap for this child. Always everybody. God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. Even Isha Kubelo, who was Chief Justice of Federal Capital, who went to Hague, ICC, to sit an exam among the 20 candidates, and at the end of the exam, he took last among the 20. He didn't even pass. Can you imagine? Can his child or any of the Fulani Janjaweed child speak like this? Very eloquent. When they envy all to the core. They envy all, they want to be like a Konjiwala, they want to be like an Igbo man, you know. That's why that idiot called, what's his name again? Ahmed Bell. I don't know if I have his video here now. I don't think I have his video. Do I have his video? Who said instead of to bring an Igbo man to contend, to take a position, he will give it to another person. What a wicked Janjaweed. Let me see if I don't know. I don't think if I have the video here. No, I don't have it. I will try to look for it. It's somewhere in my video. Let me see if I can bring it up. This man brutally said, if he has a job, he will never give it to another person. I think I will do a special program for that one. I will do a special program for that one very soon. So that is it for now. Let's sing the national anthem of our great country, Republic of Biafra. Righteousness exalt the nation. So that is the country you are seeing there. So viewers, I thank you for being with us and listening to us today. And there's nothing much I can say for now, but to thank you for coming into this program today. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like as well. Again, if you have anything to say, drop your comment at the comment section and I will reply to you very soon. This prayer we heard from our leader was the prayer he made when the Southern governors met on 11th of May 2021, last year, before our leader was rendition to damnable zoological republic, when the southern governors were making a round of a mouth, saying that power must shift to north and saying all that kind of thing, as if there are power beggars begging powers, from the north and Janjaweed who don't go to school. What a tragedy. So I leave it here for now. If you have anything to say, drop here a comment at the comment section. I will gladly rejoice and reply you as soon as possible. And I will see you again. Thank you for watching. May Chukwu Okike Abịama bless you. All hail Biafra. God bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. God bless our spokesperson, Mazi Samuel Ekpa. Remain resolute. And in case you don't know who is our spokesperson, Mazi Samuel, just type on YouTube, enter Biafra, and you will see the man, the dragon himself, who is checking the zoo. Thank you very much, and may God bless you. I'll talk to you again in another video. Bye.